Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Charu's Knitting. If you new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified first. Today I have just made this muffler, woolen muffler.
In this video I will show you how to make this bright muffler. I use here 3 colors and 4 mm crochet. First make a knot and then make 25 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. I thumb on the 25th chain and then I will make 3 more chains. This is how I will start my second row, and each of the 25 chain I will make one single crochet, and in my second row there will be 26 single crochet. I will count the 3 chains also as a single crochet. So I have total 26 single crochet on this row, second row. In the third row I will make 26 double crochets, and in the fourth row I will make 26 single crochet. This is how I continue the whole process. First row is 26 single crochet, and second row 26 double crochet, and third row 26 single crochet. Here I am showing you how to adjust the second color. I am showing you how I join the blue color yarn here. I use here 3 colors of yarn. First I use white color, then the pink one, and at last I use the blue color here. You can adjust colors as your own choice. Here I am just showing you how to join the second color. Now I am showing you how I join the tassels. I skip one chain, skip one chain, then in next chain I join the tassels.